Hey guys, Chetan here for PhoneRadar, and this is the quick hands-on with the Microsoft Lumia 535. This is the first Windows phone, Lumia phone branded with the Microsoft tag because Nokia has been acquired by Microsoft, and it is now mostly coming with the name of Microsoft on the back. So this is having the similar design to that of the earlier Lumia devices with a glossy back and different color options, and that's the Microsoft branding. And it's a pretty plain back panel on this, and it's a removable back panel. And this one comes with the Windows Phone 8.1 with the denim update, though we are using a early build device and not the retail device. The touch response, as you can see, is not very great on the 5-inch display, and it's quite a fingerprint magnet because there's no screen guard here, and the direct display is taking up all the fingerprints and doesn't look that great. Let me go into the settings, and there are loads of settings, and that's again an issue with the Windows Phone 8.1 as always, because there are no separate categorized settings, and that is where you get confused searching for options. And the storage as given here is 3.87 GB that is used, and about 3.5 GB is free for the user, but there's an option to insert the SD card, so that's quite a useful thing. So apart from that, this is the general tile interface. Now you can use a background wallpaper which would show up in a few of the tiles, and you can even change the size of the tiles to 3 different sizes, that is small, square, rectangular, and even the large square sizes. So this is again something keeps getting newer and newer from version to version, and still the Windows Phone interface is not the best of all. But this is the Lumia selfie camera actually with the 5 megapixel front facing camera. I will be doing a entire demo and a review of the cameras later on. So getting into the app list, there are loads of applications including Cortana, and this time Microsoft has included an entire list of Lumia based applications. That's Lumia Beamer, Lumia Camera, Cinemagraph, Creative Studio. Beamer is something that would project the content of this phone to any other screen, that is the screen just in your local area or even anywhere around the world. There's a Lumia selfie application, Storyteller, that's again something new, and Microsoft is offering the entire MS Office along with this for free, and this has all the office based applications, and there's OneDrive which would give you 30 GB of free storage along with the device that you purchase, and 535 is coming with quite a few offers along as well. And in the settings you can see a lot of settings, as said already: notification, actions, Wi-Fi, mobile SIM, internet sharing. This is a dual SIM device, so you would get options for dual SIM. There's a workplace account, and there's also a kids corner. And let me go into the about phone section to check the OS version. So this is the Windows Phone 8.1 update, and this is the dual SIM smartphone. So getting deeper into a few of the options under display settings and the touch settings. In the display, what you get to see is the sunlight readability that is turned off right now, but you can improve the screen readability in bright sunlight, and that is done by the background display. And getting into the touch options, there are options for waking up and navigation bar. You can double tap the screen to wake up the phone. This is a very handy feature that we had first seen in smartphones from LG and such in the G2, which they called as knock on. And apart from that, there's a huge list of applications that you see here already on the smartphone, and these are all preloaded apps. There is the Lumia camera with a very neat and simple interface, so the users don't get very much confused while using the camera application. And there are options for flash, white balance, auto coloring, the ISO settings, saturation and contrast, and you can change the lenses directly from here, and focus assist light set by flash, and framing grids and aspect ratio. Apart from the normal capture mode, there's also a smart sequence mode that is included in the same Lumia camera application. There is a smart sequence, and the video recording is not great at all because you get a lot of shakes while doing the video recording, at least with our initial check that we checked. And in the resolution as well, it's the maximum of FWVGA, that's 848 into 480 pixels of video recording that can be done. And there's audio bass filter. So with the audio there is some improvement, but the video recording is not that great at 480p. And there's this auto selfie option where it would automatically take a selfie after some of the beeps, and you don't have to touch the shutter button for that. So that's an easy auto selfie option. And there's a self timer for selfies where you can just tap the shutter button and wait for that particular amount of time to get the capture done. So physically it's again the plastic body with the micro USB slot on the bottom, 3.5mm headset jack on the top. On the sides you get to see these buttons, the physical buttons for power and volume rocker. So this was a quick hands-on with the Microsoft Lumia 535. Thank you.